Hey guys, how you doing? This is Jules. Welcome one more time to the channel. If this is your first time stopping by, go ahead, subscribe, hit the like button, also click the bell notification so that way you know when we got new videos out there. So guys, today's video is going to be a short one, but we're going to show you how to install the i3200 printheads for units like this one over here, the 24 inches, or if you got, for example, an 83 plus also that you can use for those heads. We're going to show you how to install that one, so stay tuned.
Okay, so for your print heads, you're gonna have a left and a right, left, right, and then on the i3200 print heads, there's an up and a down. So there's two different cables that have to be connected on each side. Off all the tape, drop it in the shaker. Be very careful with these cables. You don't want to break anything in the middle, break any of the wires. So we'll get the next print head.
The other side. Yep.
So here's our print head. So the sticker, there's a white sticker on the print head that's going to go facing out. And I always double check the print head just to make sure there's no damage to it. Looks good. So we have the downside. You can see up and down. So down, make sure you line them up and it just pushes and snaps right into place. And then up, same thing, line it up and you just push it in and they kind of snap right in there. The next side, down. And it doesn't matter whether you do up or down first, as long as you don't mix them up. So now that we have those, we're going to pass these through. And then I like to take the screws and put in the print head before I put it in here, because I have fat fingers. It just works out easier this way. And I can move it and just lift it, put it right in place. All three screws line up, just like that. And you always want to use a manual screwdriver for this. If you use an automatic one, you run the risk of damaging the print head. And these things are not cheap. These are the white dampers. And make sure all the cables are tucked back out of the way. And there you go.